Greetings, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to do a passable female voice. Now, the female voice is as equally diverse as a man's voice. And I've known women whose voice is almost as low as my own. You can actually find women who sing contralto, which is basically the equivalent to a female tenor or even sometimes baritone. And as a man impersonating a woman, the first thought typically for an amateur is go high. Talk up here and you'll sound like a woman and she's a. Yeah, but that is not necessary. And 9 times out of 10, you'll sound like a man trying to sound like a woman. The key to a passable female voice is all in the vowels. Women tend to speak with very wide vowels and they resonate right about in here. Not quite nasally, but sort of in the sinus slash palate region. So, whereas I would say, hello, how are you doing today? A woman speaking in the exact same register would say, hello, how are you doing today? Ha, ha, exact same note. The sound just resonates from a different place. And once you've mastered simply where you resonate from, you can play with your pitch. I can modulate it up, uh, let's say a fifth. Ha, ha, ha. Hi, my name's Siobhan. I go to Longwood University. I'm a junior. And the thing is, if you don't have the vowels right, um, you'll just sound like this, and this just sounds like a nerdy guy. So you have to get your vowels right. Think wide, almost as though you're always smiling. You'll have to start out wide to produce the sound, but once you've gotten used to it, you can do it with a straight face. Again, it's back here. You really feel it, right? Right where your hard palate meets your soft palate. If you resonate there, it's really easy to get the sound you want. Part of why female voices tend to be softer is because where they resonate from. Um, Men resonate from their chest most often, so the voice carries easily. And girls are taught to be soft spoken and whatnot, so their voices tend to get caught up in their head and they don't sound very loud because there's no real space for the sound to vibrate. But yeah, work on your resonation and you can sound like a beautiful woman. Whether you choose a higher, more flighty voice or a deep, low, sultry one. Happy travels. Peace and love.